Right in here, Mr. B's fishing things. Kind of a bit of an unexpected breeding going on in one of our tanks. Let's go take a look at it and see what's happening. Let's take a look at it. This is a red devil, and that back there is a parrot. And do you see what's going on this rock? And she sees me. No idea how many eggs she's laid there, but there sure are a pile of them. I've seen this type of pairing before. I'm not real surprised. As you can see, they're chasing everybody else off. That can be fun. Let's see what becomes of it. So, a little bit different, but these, for example, are the results of a similar pairing between a red devil and a parrot from another time. In fact, the dad in there is related to these guys right here. And something interesting that happens is that some of them sort of end up looking more like a red devil, and some of them are a little more orange or a little more pink, and some will end up being basically a parrot. So these two parrots right here and right here, this one is a result of a parrot and red devil mix, and you can see the head structure is a little different, but it does have the parrot mouth. And then down here, this is another parrot. A little update on these eggs. As you can see, they've turned white. Some of them are starting to fungus over. These guys have never really done this before. I'm not super surprised. And it's kind of hard to say if our male is fertile or not anyway. The sheer number of them that have turned white makes me wonder. I've had quite a few of these female parrots lay eggs. Some of them successfully breed with other fish. I've never had them breed as parrots. Most of the time the males are infertile. They're mules. They're sterile. Now this is a red devil cichlid. It's a young one that was born here, and we're not sure if he's fertile or not. It's really just sort of in here to grow up. He's not proven or anything, but they're certainly trying. Now to show you the rest of the tank and what's going on, as you see, everybody else is over here. There's a few other fish in here with them. But that's how much territory they own. So I'm not holding out any hope whatsoever for anything happening out of this clutch of eggs. But it's interesting to note what they're up to. We put this parrot in this tank a matter of days ago and did a water change a day or two after she got in there. And then it took no time at all. These two were trying to pair up, and here's the eggs. It's kind of a recipe for it in a way. Alright, if they have any success in the future, we'll look at it again. So, kind of a strange pairing. Probably nothing going to happen out of this one. In fact, I'm sure of it. But you never know in the future what's going to happen here. Right, thanks for watching.